This video is intended to point out very briefly the key differences between two types of immigration categories that get confused quite frequently, especially by clients: temporary protected status and asylum. Temporary protected status and asylum are both humanitarian in nature. It's the United States government offering refugees an opportunity to come to the United States because they're no longer safe in their home country. And in that regard, the two are very similar in principle. However, the key difference between the two is that temporary protected status is not fact-specific on the individual. What really matters is the country that you come from. Was there some type of event in your home country that made you a refugee? Temporary protected status is country-specific and not you-specific, meaning that if you are from a country designated for temporary protected status, then odds are if you're in the United States during the appropriate dates, you will probably qualify for temporary protected status. Alternatively, asylum requires a very individualized analysis of your specific circumstances, and you individually have to show either some type of past persecution or a credible fear of a future persecution were you to return to your home country. So asylum is much more difficult to prove than temporary protected status. Now, one of the other differences is temporary protected status can be revoked. The government has to continually renew your country for temporary protected status for you to remain eligible. Conversely, asylum, once asylum is granted, you're pretty much on your path to a green card, which is much more permanent in nature, of course, than temporary protected status. So those are the two main differences. TPS is very country-specific. Asylum is very individualized to you particularly. TPS is temporary, and asylum is much more permanent in nature. If you found this video useful, or if you have any topics that you'd like to see me discuss, please leave a note in the comments so that I know I'll be happy to address them in the future. And of course, you can always follow me on Twitter, which is @EmmyLaw, WDE, which you should see in the bottom of your screen. And you can also go to my blog, which is found at spencerlarche.wordpress.com/blog.